Okay, Grogs, pick the next package, okay? Hello, Earth. Grogu picked the second FedEx package, so we're gonna open this one up right now. After work today, I picked up a third FedEx package, so he's gotta have to grab that one after this one. So I got 3 FedEx packages total. This one came from New Zealand. Here we go. I don't have a special knife. This is just a regular knife. A lot of guys put really cool knives. I don't have one. I do have one. One of my friends gave me a really cool. I should go look for it. A really cool one. I think I'm gonna fast forward this. Let me know if you're okay with it. Okay, no noise. That is a good thing. Straight from New Zealand, the New Zealand Mint. I ordered it and I got it within like 4 days from New Zealand to America. Okay, don't look. Okay, so we know this is going to be a secret unboxing. Okay, I know what it is. I have 2 more. You guys don't know what it is, so let's take a look. I ordered this August 1st. If you know what happened August 1st, what they released, put it down, comment. I'll wait a couple seconds. Type it in. If you know what happened August 1st, then you won. Okay. Oh man, last time they didn't have this. Okay, so let me get this out of here. Subscribe right there, and I'll be right back. I don't want this to get all over my place. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Oh man, it went all over the floor anyway. You try to do something good and it messes up anyway. Okay, so I zoomed out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. August 1st, according to New Zealand's website, was Spider-Man Day, because I guess the first Spider-Man comic book came out August 1st. 999 fine silver, 1 ounce. Country issue Niue 2023. Only 2023 minted because it's 2023. Okay. Certificate of authenticity. All right, it's hard to read. And it says Spider-Man, 1 ounce silver coin. There's the Marvel. And then we'll go to the top, nothing. The side, there's Marvel. Nothing at the bottom, at the side. Let's do this. The box is 4 1/4 by 3 by 1. All right, we'll open it up. There he is. All right, let me try to zoom in. Look at that. See my iPhone in the back? Okay, we'll tilt it. Beautiful. So shiny. Look at that. At the bottom, 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. Oh, Marvel. Oh, more copyright Marvel. There's the building in the back. The skies is polished. Can I go more? Yeah, look at that. Hope you guys like this. I ordered this on the 1st when it first came out, and it arrived in a few days, really fast, from New Zealand to California. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna take the coin out. There's nothing else here. My Transformer coin had some writings here, but let's pull this guy out. There you go. The other side, 2 doll hairs, public seal of Niue. There it goes. 2023. Look, I really like the shininess. I'm viewing. Do you see? I was trying to make the screen smaller. Ah, you guys, come on. Okay. Why was I doing that? Okay. Anyway, let's do the side. Nothing on the side, but yeah, look at that. I like it. This is 2 1/4 by 1 1/2, which is 8/8 or 8/16, 9/16 or something like that. Okay, I don't know math. Anyway, look at that. I'm gonna put you back. This is the unboxing of the Spider-Man coin from Niue, purchased on Spider-Man Day, which is August 1st, to represent the first comic book was release date. I guess the first comic book had August 1st on it. If you guys want to comment below if that's right or not. If you guys liked it, please subscribe. Okay. Put you back. What else is in the box? You guys are ready? I basically bought five of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I just needed to get 5. I don't want to do 1. I don't want to do 2. I don't want to do 3. I just needed to do 5. So I'm gonna open one out of the case, and I'm gonna store those in storage. Like and subscribe. Say hi to Grogs. Say what's up, Bruce. Thanks again for watching. This is Seismic Sales. Later, Globe. In case you're asking about the Sigma machine on the far right, I will test it for you guys. I do trust the mints, but let's try it anyway. Bam, there it is in between the brackets. Flip it over. Uh-oh, there you go, in between the brackets. Take it out one more time. There you go. Hey, you guys. Okay, that was it. Take care. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys. Grogs, what are you doing, bro? Bro, like and subscribe.